Get output from the logging module in IPython notebook. When I'm running the following inside IPython notebook, I don't see any output. Anyone know how to make it so I can see the test message inside the notebook?
Try following. According to logging.basicconfig. Does basic configuration for the logging system by creating a stream handler with a default formatter and adding it to the root logger. The functions debug, info, warning, error and critical will call basicconfig automatically if no handlers are defined for the root logger. This function does nothing if the root logger already has handlers configured for it. It seems like IPython notebook call basicconfig or set handler somewhere.
If you still want to use basicconfig, reload the logging module like this.
My understanding is that the IPython session starts up logging so basicconfig doesn't work. Here is the setup that works for me. I wish this was not so gross looking since I want to use it for almost all my notebooks. Now when I run, I get a mylog.log file in the same directory as my notebook that contains. Note that if you rerun this without restarting the IPython session, it will write duplicate entries to the file since there would now be 2 file handlers defined.
Bear in mind that stare is the default stream for the logging module, so in IPython and Jupyter notebooks you might not see anything unless you configure the stream to stale.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.